How to export CMYK in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So simply first of all, launch the Canva application and select on your project. As you can see, I've already selected a project. So this is just a demo resume. So what you need to do over here is you can see the different colors over here. Now if you want to print it, the colors might be an issue. So what we can do is we can export CMYK and it would be easier for us to print in from the Canva. Now simply you can tap on the colors over here and you can simply select on the colors option over here. You can tap on the plus icon and you'll be able to see this code over here. So just remember this code and you can select the code over here, and as you're done with it, what you can do is simply tap on the download or the upward icon which is at the top right corner of the screen. Select on that and then tap on download. As you tap on download, you can see the file type which is PDF standard. So we're going to tap on it and select on PDF print. Now under color profile, you can see the option of RGB, but as you tap on the arrow down button, you can see the option of CMYK, best for professional printing. So you can just tap on it and then tap on download. But mind you that this is a premium version of Canva, so it is available only in premium version or subscription based Canva process over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.